Okay, so a lot of you have asked me that how I have this sidebar for Flutter web application, because for a lot of Flutter web application you might not have a sidebar, but in my case I do have a sidebar, as you can see that, and this sidebar is awesome. And I like it, okay, and the design, the layout, the feeling, everything is great. And of course, if you want, you can close that, you can go back, you can open it, okay, you can enlarge it, all right, and then you can also do like this. This is awesome, the whole dashboard, okay. And it does support like this arrow button, which is also awesome. All right, when you click on the arrow button, it goes back. All right, so I'm going to tell you that how someone can do this. In fact, this is pretty easy to do. So to do this, all you need to do, you need to come to this package, which is called Sidebar X. Come to this package, I mean, you need to find this package, right? And then go ahead and install it. So they have documentation how to install it, and they do have a pretty good example actually. So you have to have this example first. What I would suggest, go ahead and run this example, but definitely when you run it, it may look like a little bit different, like this one of these examples they have over here, this. So of course you need to customize it based on your needs, and this is where it could be challenging, because you will see that the example is quite long, but it covers pretty much everything. So give it few hours time, definitely you'll get the hang of it, and you'll be able to build a sidebar like that. Anyway, thank you so much.